Lemongrass essential oil recipes that will blow your mind. Sit back with pen and paper ready. Ready, set, go. Alert inhaler. Promotes mental clarity and energizes when feeling fatigued. 5 drops lemongrass. 5 drops lime. 5 drops rosemary. Blank inhaler. Add essential oils to cotton wick and insert into inhaler. Spot Escape Diffuser Blend. This blend offers a sense of complete calm. 4 drops lavender. 2 drops lemongrass. 1 drop lime. Add essential oils to diffuser with recommended water. Fridge Refresh Spray. Freshen your refrigerator, freezer with this disinfecting and deodorizing recipe. 10 drops lemongrass. 2 ounces vodka. 2 ounces glass spray bottle. Combine ingredients into bottle, shake and spray onto surfaces of fridge and freezer to cleanse and deodorize. Fruity Pebbles Diffuser Blend. This essential oil blend is from our grapefruit diffuser recipes post. 2 drops grapefruit. 2 drops lemongrass. 2 drops bergamot. Add essential oils to diffuser with recommended water. Migraine Helper Diffuser Blend. This recipe is not a magic cure-all, but this blend of essential oils can offer some assistance and support in your time of need. 4 drops lavender. 2 drops peppermint. 2 drops lemongrass. Add essential oils to diffuser with recommended water. Pick Me Up Massage Oil. 8 drops lavender. 8 drops peppermint. 4 drops grapefruit. 4 drops lemongrass. 1/4 cup fractionated coconut oil, or carrier oil of choice. 2 ounces glass lotion pump bottle. Add all ingredients to glass bottle, shake to blend together. Massage on full body or on chest, neck and arms for uplifting effect. Muscle Tension Roller Blend. 3 drops peppermint. 2 drops eucalyptus. 1 drop lemongrass. Report this ad. Directions: add oils into 10 ml roller ball bottle and fill rest of bottle with jojoba oil, or favorite carrier oil. To use, roll on neck and shoulders to relieve muscle discomfort. 3% dilution. Happy Inhaler. Promotes emotional health and wellness. 5 drops lemongrass. 5 drops frankincense. 5 drops lemon. Blank inhaler. Add essential oils to cotton wick and insert into inhaler. We so hope you enjoyed this video and will put these recipes to work for your health and enjoyment. Please subscribe now. Please hit the like button. Please commit and tell us how you use lemongrass essential oil.